National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seward County in southwestern Kansas, southern Grant County in southwestern Kansas, Meade County in southwestern Kansas, Stevens County in southwestern Kansas, southwestern Gray County in southwestern Kansas, Haskell County in southwestern Kansas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tice to 7 miles northeast of Woods to 11 miles south of Big Bow, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woods around 12:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Hugoton, Kismet, Hain, and Plains around 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Liberal, Missler, Meade, and Meade State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas: Gray, Haskell, and Meade.